If you need to close your Deliveroo account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is properly deleted. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Deliveroo website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found in the menu section, often represented by your profile icon. Step 3. Find account deletion option. Look for the option related to account management or privacy settings. Here, you should find an option to delete or deactivate your account. Step 4. Follow deletion instructions. Click on the account deletion option and follow the prompts. You may be asked to confirm your decision or provide feedback on why you are leaving. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After completing the prompts, confirm the deletion of your account. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully closed. Make sure to check your email for any final notifications from Deliveroo regarding your account closure. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to their customer support for assistance.